Alright, so for this video I'm going to track the Techno Viking's head and then impose a pudgy penguin's head onto him. I'm using Davinci Resolve. It is a free software that is actually really powerful. So to do this, we're going to drop the clip for the Techno Viking in. I've trimmed it to the piece that I want. We're going to go over to the Fusion tab, and then we're going to click on median, and then shift space to bring this up. We're going to type in tracker. And I'm just going to go with the standard tracker, and we're going to impose that on his face. Let's do this to where we make it a little bit taller so that it's tracking his face entirely. And then we are going to go best match, pattern center, and then we're at the start of it, so we're going to hit track to the end. So that went off. So what we're going to do is tighten this up and this way, that way it's only tracking a specific area. So I'll do it again, tracking much better this time. And once it's done tracking, we're going to click and drag the Viking head in, and we are going to click on this and change this to operation match move, and then we're going to connect it into here. So now when we play it, it's tracking the head, but as you can see, the size is way different. So we're going to click on this, shift space, and transform, add. And now the transform, we want to make it smaller, obviously. Move it over to where his head is. And then we're going to hit play to see if it all matches up. And there you go. That's how you do it. But yeah, Davinci Resolve free software, really awesome for video editing and doing stuff like this for memes or whatever. Enjoy.